In our next lesson, we're going to estimate with decimals. So estimation means we're basically going to turn our decimals into whole numbers. To do that, we'll be looking at the numbers to the right of the decimal point. So 7.2, I don't care about anything after the first digit. 0.2. 2 is between 0 and 4. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the first group. And that tells me to keep the whole number. So this is going to be 7. 7.2 is the same thing, so it's going to be 7. 10.75. 0.7. That 7 being larger than 5 tells me to take the 0 in the ones place and bump it up. So that's going to be 11. And 5.8. 8 being 5 or above says I kick the 5 up to a 6. Remember, 0 to 4, keep. 5 to 9 says go up 1. So estimating now, we've done the estimate part, we just have to actually add this. 7 and 7 is 14, 14 and 11 is 25, 25 and 6 is 31. Subtraction, we're going to line up, so we'll estimate as we do that. 178.3. 3 is between 0 and 4, so I'm going to keep the 8, so this is going to be 178 minus 101.5. 5 belongs to 5 and up, which tells me to move the 1 up to a 2, so we're going to make this one a 2. There's our estimation done, now we just need to subtract. 8 minus 2 is 6, 7 minus 0 is 7, and 1 minus 1 is nothing. Multiplication, no biggie. 18.5. 0.5 tells me to round the 18 up to 19. 37.5. 5 tells me to move the 7 up to an 8. So we're going to do 38 times 19. 8 times 9 is 72. Carry the 7. 8 times 1 is 1, plus 7 is 15. Start off with a 0. 3 times 9 is 27. Carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 2 and 0 is 2. 5 and 7 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 5 is 7. And 152.4, so that's going to be 152. 4 tells us to keep the 2. Divided by 5.3. 3 says keep the 5. Now just divide. 5 goes into 15 3 times perfectly, leaving us with 2. 5 does not go into 2 at all, so it's 0, remainder 2.